More than 1 million people in the North and Central Plains were under snowstorm or ice storm warnings on Tuesday. Because heavy snow, freezing rain and powerful winds created treacherous road conditions that said that predictions could last early on Wednesday. As of Tuesday morning, even though a part of Nebraska and South Dakota recorded approximately 4 inches, strong winds prevented them from reading correctly. Amanda Viken, North Platte. Some towns in NEB.He had taken a feet. National Weather Service. Tuesday night storm until the storm 4-inch snow is expected. In areas where the snow stops or slows down, more than 55 miles per hour freezing temperatures and wind gusts can cause ice roads and white road conditions throughout the day.